Who the house?
Who is here?
Who the house?
That corner.
Oh yeah. Who the now?
Mr. Man, come, Mr. Man, come.
Good evening.
Good afternoon. How una dey?
Fine.
Wetin I go do for now? Welcome.
Mr. Man, please, this is the 15th time we are coming here. We have not met anybody here.
We all are busy workers. We are not lazy at home. So anybody where they want, wetin him go dey do for house? Not only in the midnight if you come. Today, why you see me? We say we get burial. One of our brother died.
Oh.
So now they prepare to go. You don't say I don't put on my black.
We are so sorry about that.
You are welcome.
As you can see, we work with the NEPA.
Yeah.
Oh, the NEPA.
Yeah.
Hey, now welcome.
Thank you.
Hey.
Mr. Man, with further introduction, please, you can just introduce yourself so that you will know better.
Okay. Daddy, Mr. Man, I am engineer Odumeje, and this, my fellow colleague, engineer Scanibi. We are here to inspect your light.
Right.
Yeah, we are here to inspect your house because in our office is leading that you are owing us for 15 years. You have not been
For
paying.
the past 15 years?
Yes, you have not been paying. You just want to know why. And we are here to commence the action immediately.
You are here to know why?
And commence the action immediately.
Okay.
Okay. Now welcome. Action.
Mr. Man, you are owing for 15 years and you are saying action.
You say you are here to commence the action. So I shout action so that you can commence it.
Is this man joking with us or so? I don't understand though.
How?
Let's see your evidence of payment for over 15 years.
How old have you worked for? How long have you worked for NEPA?
Mr. Man, is that your question?
No, I should know how long you have worked for NEPA.
Okay,
That
we are just new officers that checks your
bill, your tariff is not.
You have not paid
you
for
have
the
not
past 15 years. We are just coming to this street for the first time.
Okay, you just check am. No be say you don dey there for 15 years. You check am. So what is there now?
Where is your evidence of payment?
Okay, I go pay for wetin I no use. As your mama born you for hospital, before she wapatagunu log, they see the pikin where you born, see nurses and doctors who render service to your mother, and she pay. The day where you enter school, they registered you for school, you pay to obtain the education.
This man is talking too much. Mr. Man, cut anything. Take this fire. Cut anything cuttable here.
If you climb this place, Makachuku, the way you go take come out here, but won't pack away.
Okay, which tariff are you under? MD or RU2S or RU2C?
And I'm under RIP. Or we hear
Listen, go inside there. Anything light there, disconnect it.
Okay, go inside there. Anything like disconnect it, then disconnect this one.
Are you joking with me? Hello, I'm your senior colleague here. Mr. Man, I said you should go inside here. But check anything that is light, anything that is bringing light, bring it out.
Okay, I will disconnect you.
Anything, candle, generator, anything light, bring it out here. Mr. Man, don't worry. For the past 15 years you are owing us. You will see yourself today. Sure, you want to know the place we are working. Don't worry. Be fast.
Okay, I didn't see anything. Only extension I see.
You say?
I didn't see anything. Only extension.
You didn't see anything, only extension. Are you sure this man is not a wizard? How can a matured man like this be in this house and he doesn't have anything that produces light?
I didn't even see candle, sir.
This man must be Amusu. Because it is only an Amusu, no they get light for a house. Mr. Man, please explain.
Gentlemen, even though you people are not gentle, the only light that remains in this house is the light of God.
Oh. You still have light of God inside here. If we see anything light inside the house, we off it, even the light of anything you call.
Then off it.
Okay, let's see your hand.
I say off the light. The bill say you want to off the light of Chineke criminal. Off it because
Okay, let's see your hand. Let's see your
I
hand.
am the light. Who want to maka Chineke say all I need more for us to become the light. So I am the light of Chineke Kiruwa. So off me. The only thing you can off in this house is me. Once you off me, every light here is gone.
Then let us see light inside the house and we off it.
I never let you get light. Can you pay for what you don't use? For past 15 years, like you stated, I've never seen Pakam. Other people's house, you go past, they go shout up never. I've never hear up here, man, for that down. And you are here now, you want to go club, you want to cut your mama placenta, you want to cut an optical cord, you want to cut a area for gin to get. Cutist. Somebody sent you shamefully, you walk into somebody's compound with no shame. Some of you are supposed to be ashamed of yourself. When you enter somebody's house, you go there, how long have you used light? How long have NEPA give you light? How long have all I beg you? I've never seen Bakam, Mafuze Chakam. I go pay for what I know you.
The little way you don't use.
I know you even see Lema for there too.
Here is urban area now. Here is urban area. It's once in a while.
Urban area. Mwagawazi no bed. Gano banna go no ba obo from here.
I said,
yeah. I'm a gapao.
Mr. Man.
Come go back. I quite me
Mr. Man, what's this nonsense now?
I not see you leave. I not see you leave.
We are government officials. We are government officials.
It will government iniquity. We will judge from government.
Okay. You know what? You know what? We'll go and bring more men. I think this man needs stronger hands. Before they started your bamu here, make you not be waiting. We come here, can't do. Let us leave.
Climb.
No, let's leave. This man is after something else.
Stupid set of youth. Somebody sent you to somebody's house to go and do nonsense, and you shamefully enter my house. You want to come and cut area for Jin Negundu. Socket Malaga. Socket that have been here for years, and socket I will come out for the chakam. You don't go pupuya. Otishu pupu socket attack. I guess I kupon the gun and nepa. My chingi and all. I kupuchana the teacher. You have been pupod. You have to check your tariff, check your belief, check your sheriff, check everything checkable before you enter somebody's compound. That you want to go and cut light. Somebody who have not used light for the past 15 years. And you are checking my bill. I should bring a NEPA bill. I should bring this bill. What bill? The only bill I have here is the tariff. Tali. I get a bros on and a mochar. Stupid set of people. Who the call get a idiot of no in comparison. Only I get caught walking now. I thank God for the other way around. I did thank God.